Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get early access feature on Threads. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Meta has confirmed that it's working on adding this feature and more. It's allowing fading use and finding Android user want early access to new features on Threads to sign up for its beta tester program. And becoming a Threads beta tester is a great way to try out new feature before anyone else and help improve the app. If you don't mind occasional bugs or sharing your data with Meta, use the above step to sign up. So in this video, we'll show you how to join this beta tester on Threads. It's very simple. You can join on the in-app. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Threads. Now you can just go to the settings by tap on your profile in here, on the bottom right here. Now you can go to the up right corner, the two lines over here. From here, you can see there is an option early access. You can just tap on that and you'll find there is an option join the beta program. If you want to join the beta program, you can just tap on the toggle in here to join. With this on, you'll try new Threads features before they release. I think there's something went wrong. But don't worry. You can reopen. You can just reopen the apps like this. Okay. Early access. Tap on here. The threads may be unstable because features are still in development. You can leave this program at any time if you want. But I think there's something went wrong when I tried to join the beta program. You can open the Play Store. You can search for Threads. You can see the Threads. Now you can just join on the Play Store. Join beta program, you can just tap on join. Now, Threads is adding your account to the program. It may take a few minutes. You can just wait until Meta or Threads will send you email to your email that confirm that you just joined the beta program. It's very simple, right? So that is how to get early access feature on Threads. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.